Right, a polygon is a plane shape with three or more straight sides. So any shapes that has more than three sides, we call that a polygon. So a triangle is a polygon with three sides, quadrilateral, four sides, penta, five sides, hexa, six sides, hepta, seven, octa, eight, nona, nine, deca, 10. And the list goes on and on and on. So all of this indicates how many sides there are in your particular shape. All right. So as you can see, what you have or the shapes that is shown here, they are all regular. Regular meaning that they have the same length, same interior angles, or equal interior angles. So when we calculate, we can just divide it by the number of sides to find how what is the interior angle for each of these polygon. Okay, so for triangle, it is 180 degree, the sum of interior angle. For a triangle, it is 180 degrees. And then we have a quadrilateral, any quadrilateral or four-sided shape with 360 degrees. And as the list goes on, the number increases by 180 each because there are more triangles in each shape. So how do we determine the number of triangles? Is by taking one of the vertex and start joining to all the other vertices. So when we start joining to all the other vertices, you can see how many triangles are there. 1, 2, 3, three triangles. So I just pick one, join to all the vertices. You can see 4 triangles. Again, join all the vertices. 5 triangles. Octagon, you can see. Join all the vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nonagon, same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Decagon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. So you can actually see a pattern here. Every time you add a side, you add 180 to it, starting from a triangle, or the number of sides and the number of triangle is always a difference of 2. You just need to use the number of side minus 2 equals to the number of triangles in that shape. And will be the number of sides. So you can see pentagon 5, triangles 3, 1, 2, 3. Hexagon 1, 2, 3, 4. Heptagon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can see? So it's always this relationship whereby 1 is the number of sides, the other one is the number of triangle. So we can have a look here. Angle sum of a polygon, all you need to do is to find the number of triangles, n minus 2. So in order to find the sum meaning that the total interior angle, all we need to do is take the number of sides minus 2 to get the number of triangle, and then multiply by 180. That's how you can do for each and every one of the question. So here it says, find the angle sum of a decagon and state the size of each interior angle if the decagon is regular. If you remember what I said about regular, it means that all the angles are the same and all the lengths are the same. So first we find the sum of interior angle first. Once we get this, you can see 1440. Then to find each angle, how many sides are there in a decagon? You know deca, like decade, meaning 10. Means there are 10 sides, we just divide it by 10. Each side is 144. We can do the same. After this, a polygon has an angle sum. So this is the total. How many sides does it have? Just rewrite your formula And then we slowly do it from there. So you can see the multiplication becomes a division. And then after that, we get our answer. The subtraction becomes an addition. And then at the end, this is our final answer. That is the number of sides. Okay. Now, we need to look also in the sum of exterior. Interior is inside, exterior means outside. So what is the sum of exterior angle that you can see here of a convex polygon? Every single polygon, the sum of exterior angle always and can only add to 360 no matter what. No matter how you draw it, no matter how regular or irregular it is, the sum of exterior angle is always 360 degrees. It can never be more, can never be lesser. So you can have a look here. Each and every one of the angle is 120. And then after that, when we calculate it, all the exterior angle, we add up together is 360 degrees. You can try it yourself with any shape. Let's say you do a simple one. Normally, when you try, use a simple one to try. Try with a rectangle. So if you have a rectangle, extend the line so that you have your exterior angle. All of your exterior angles are 90 degrees. When you add them up, you get 360 degrees. Oops, sorry. Exterior means outside. Right? So here you can see. The first question they ask you, copy and complete the table you already know. Angle, sum of interior angle is always the number of sides minus 2. Then you get, this will give you the number of what? Number of triangles. And take it and multiply it by 180 degrees. Then you get your sum of interior angles. This is your n, by the way. Find the size of one interior angle for each of the following regular polygon. Find the sum already, and then take the sum divided by the number of sides. Sum of interior angle. And from here, take the sum divided by the number of sides. You already have a formula for sum of interior angle. Next one, a regular polygon has 15 sides. Find the sum of interior angle. Sum of exterior angle. This is without a doubt. Don't need to do anything. Immediately write your answer already. You know that the exterior angle is always 360 degrees. Nothing else. Okay. The size of each exterior angle, then you might need to divide it by the number of sides. Okay. So sum of interior angle, you need to find the number of triangle first, then multiply it by the number of sides. Okay, find the number of triangles and multiply by 180. Okay, next one. A regular polygon has n exterior angles of 15. You don't know how many, but you know this always sums up to 360. So you just have to divide and you should be able to get your answer. Last one, find the value of x in each of these irregular polygons. It doesn't really matter if it's regular or not. The sum is always the same. So here you can see how many sides there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sides already. Then you should be able to get 5 sides. What is the total sum of interior angles? Then minus 90, 90, 90. Then divided by 2, you get x. Next one, you can see how many sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 sides. Find the sum of interior angle. Find x. Same thing here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is a irregular pentagon. Okay, if in case you forget how to do it, try to find the number of triangle if it's possible. Let's try if it's possible to get the number of triangle. 1, 2, 3. So you got 3 triangles here. Again, try again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You get 5 here. Again here. 1, 2, 3, 4. You get 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Sorry, not 4, 3. And with that in mind, you can already know what is the sum of interior angle. Number of triangle multiplied by 180 degrees.